Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix contact not showing on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all, what you need to do, we have to check and make sure that our contacts are synced with iCloud. So tap on setting, and from here guys tap on iCloud, tap here iCloud, and from here guys tap on show all, and make sure that the contacts are enabled. After this, then our next step is to restart our iPhone. Sometime a simple restart can resolve many issues. So you have to open setting again, and from here guys tap on here journal, and from here tap on shutdown and restart your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then go for other solution. The other solution is carrier update. Tap your software update and check if they have any update, then update it first and check your problem is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then go for other solution. The other solution is go back, tap here transfer or reset iPhone, tap here reset, and from here guys tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.